Hey, what up my cruisers? This is the TowPro. Thank you for tuning in to this video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can see more videos like this.
This video I'll just be doing a little unboxing on one of my recovery gear. It's a kinetic toe strap, I believe. So the reason I got this was I just recently installed a winch a few months ago. I was really stoked about that. I really pumped. You know, I always wanted a winch and finally got it because I have a ARB front bumper which has a winch mount on it. I ended up seeing a tragic accident which happened in Kingman, Arizona, probably like 3-4 months ago now, to this family. I believe his name was Ryan Woods. Rest in peace. He ended up dying because of a toe ball hitch failure. So if you want to check that video out and that story, I made a video about that as well. If you want to check out my install video, I'll link that up in the description as well, and you can click up here too for that. So after seeing that tragic accident, I definitely wanted to invest in some recovery gear because I didn't want to happen to me or anybody else out there. So make sure if you're towing anything, do not tow from the tow ball hitch and use proper tow rated gear. Alright, so let's get it rolling.
Here we go. I'm gonna unbox this thing. Alright. Trusty little knife. Probably link this in the description as well if you want to check that out. Just gonna cut through that. There you go. So it's not too heavy. Measurements are 3 by 30. It's built to last. Nothing else on the back. Comes with this little instruction booklet. It says here, step 1, secure strap to D-ring shackle or tow hook. Do not use with a hitch ball mount. See that? Do not use with a hitch ball mount. So I'm gonna show you why. If you haven't seen, click down below or click up here, link in the description for that video. If you want to help donate, secure the strap, second strap loop to the D-ring shackle or tow hook on other vehicle. So then you just secure that to the D-ring or another vehicle. Step 3, make sure both loop ends on strap are securely fastened to anchor points. So make sure everything's tight. And then step 4, you're ready to tow and recover. Always use caution when recovering. There you go. Little booklet. It's pretty cool. So there's a booklet right there. Comes with a bag. I'll probably put that in here. So we're gonna cut this open. There you go. That's how it looks like. So unwrap it real quick. So yeah, if you were towing, you'd probably have one on this, one on your vehicle and one on the other vehicle. And see, this is a lot safer than using a steel cable or something, or a winch, because if this snaps, it's probably gonna fall down and rather just run right into you. And it's not steel, so. And it has the weight loads here. Working load limit, 10,663 pounds or 4,863 kilograms. Max brake strength, 31,518 pounds. So it's supposed to withstand 31,000 pounds. But it says here, failure to comply with load limits could result in property damage, physical injury, or even death, which is true. So don't take that for granted. Anyways, just want to make a quick little video. Going on like a 3-state trip right now. Hopefully everything goes good. Fingers crossed. Knock on wood, guys. Wish me luck. And I'll be back with more content soon. So keep watching. Alright, the TowPro out.